Alright, so I was given that group of touch and swears, touch and sews. I had the 750 on the bench because it seemed the most promising. The 603E here had this clamp for the needle plate was completely jammed on it, and so I had to soak that with penetrating fluid and push it up and down and to get it to loosen up so that it would rise and lower with our throat position lever. It also was completely stuck on the zigzag left and right motion, so I had to work very hard to get that loose. But now that the machine is stitching, it's time to check the there we go. Now that it's actually making a full width zigzag, I'm gonna pull that bobbin out and see about the bobbin winding mechanism and see if I can make that go. So touch and sew is the early wind in place bobbin mechanism for Singer. These bobbins are better than the ones on the 1036 because they're two-piece bobbins and you can clean them lickety-split and then screw them back together and have them be empty and ready for your next winding. So it occurs to me I need to look up the instructions on how to do this, because part of the problem with wind in place bobbin mechanisms is that they are not a very self-evident system, because you have to make sure the thread comes down and hits all the spots exactly where it's supposed to. Okay, I read the instructions because I had an instruction manual with this machine, and it says that we just have the bobbin in place, push the button to engage the bobbin drive, and make sure that we hold our tail around the screw there, and it's supposed to pick up and start winding the thread. Which I don't... Oh. I thought I had the button pushed and I didn't. That's my fault. Great. Well, let's see where our thread got jammed. Oh. Well. Right. Put our bobbin in. Make sure that our button is pressed. And then I'm going to turn this by hand. Picks up. It is running, okay. And then it snapped that thread off. Okay. Fortunately, this is the easy clean bobbin, so we'll try that again. I popped that plate up to, there we go. There we go. It seems to have loaded the bobbin there, and the thing says just push forward and begin sewing again, which I guess it did. Push forward and begin sewing again. That's real slick. Like, I get why it's wind in place bobbins have their fans. Like, it is pretty slick, but I just still feel like it was a solution in search of a problem, and then it was pretty fiddly, but cool. This 603E just sort of tuned right up. Cool. Alright. This is the 750, and it had these urethane feed dogs in, and I ordered new ones, and the new ones have the same thickness here. So they fit under the plate pretty easily. I didn't feel like I needed to do any adjustment. We already oiled this machine, so I guess it's time to see what happens with a stitch test. There we go. And I didn't grab a bobbin from the 603. There. Thread on there. So the 750 has the goofy over-the-top tensioner on it, and I guess the needle bar was not up, which is why the tensioner was troublesome there. But it does have built-in needle threader here. So that's slick. There. Okay, needle threader. And I've got to thread a or wind a bobbin right away, so I guess we'll be testing that immediately. Go. All right. All right. We wound a lot of bobbin, and we'll just push our door shut so that it shifts out of gear there. And let's look at that, our stitches seem to be in very good shape. Cool. I guess this works.